So iOS 15 is the next Apple operating system release, and it is shaping up to look really cool so far. There's a lot of cool new features, and it looks like it's going to be a massive update in terms of the user interface and usability of lots of different things. But it's not out yet, and lots of people want it already, and that's why they released the Apple Beta Software Program. This has existed for a long time, and you've been able to basically install the betas of a lot of their previous iOS, macOS, and tvOS, iPadOS, and watchOS releases before they come out to the general public. And it's actually really easy to sign up for these betas. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for them and get the beta software on your device. So first of all, you're going to need to come to this Apple Beta Software Program link, or just beta.apple.com. There will be a link to it in the description though, just in case you want it. And just press sign up. It will then take you to a page to log in with your Apple ID. Once you're logged in, you'll then be taken to this page called Guide for Public Betas. Click on iOS, which is the one that we're going to be doing for this tutorial, and then you're going to need to get started. So to enroll your iOS device, they recommend first you make a backup because it is beta software, which I would recommend doing if you want to. Now on your phone, you just need to go to beta.apple.com/profile. So I've moved back over to beta.apple.com, and now we're going to press enroll your iOS device. So we're going to do the backup and install our profile. So this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do we want to allow this? Yes, we do. Allow. And then you go over to the Settings app. In your Settings app, you'll see a profile downloaded thing right at the top. Click on that, and then you're going to press install. Enter your password, then agree to this and press install. It will take some time, and then you will need to restart your iPhone. Once you successfully restarted your phone, you're going to want to go into General, then Software Update. It will have a checking for update screen, and then you will be able to download the iOS 15 public beta. Now all you have to do is press download and install, and it will be installed onto your device. And then boom, you now have access to the iOS 15 public beta. And anytime you want to update it, you just click back in there, and it'll give you the latest release of the public beta. So thank you guys so much for watching. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.